to own a convenience store, and I worked there 7 days a week. It was just me and my dad, and you know, when you work for family, you gotta bust your ass. Don't really make that much, you know. And then we finally shut it down. It got slow and stuff, and I was there for so long, man. And I worked long hours, and I missed a lot of stuff. Couldn't do a lot of things, but I couldn't just leave my dad hanging, you know. So I had to help him out. So then we finally shut down. So man, I just was like, I need a little break and enjoy life a little bit, you know. So I mean, I've been looking for a lawn service to buy, but I need a good one in a real nice neighborhood. I don't want to just buy a shitty lawn service and just, you know, so I gotta kind of be patient for that. And then when I find one, that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, no, I wish I was. Gonna email Shaq, see if he needs someone to watch his house for him.
There you go. Always ever there.
Yeah, he was always doing.